All right, guys, so we are back and we are rushing. We're rushing. We're rushing. Are you rushing? I'm not rushing. We're rushing back to the auction house because I've got to get on a plane, y'all, or attempt to get on a plane with my kids and my wife and my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. And I really hope we get to go because we're going to go to Virginia and then we're going to DC for a few days. And it's going to be fun. But anyway, look, check it out. Here's all the jewelry from the $800 unit. We're going to unbox it here with you now. You know what? We're going to do this one because this one might be impressive. I'll tell you why. Because look, you can see through it. So we know there might be some decent stuff in there. Okay, and then look down in here. We have all this jewelry that we've still got to go through. So anyway, let's just pop. I love this box. First of all, usually the legs are knocked off of them, but just look at that. Is that not a really pretty box? I think it is. Hey, look at that fool. Look at that clown. Hey, yeah, look at that clown. All right, ready? So here it is, guys. Well, so nobody has seen in this really. Actually, all of us have only seen it for like a split second. Yeah. So check it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! All right. Okay, so when we found this,
wait, who found it?
Just kidding. Okay, Tanner picked up the box.
Bro, I wish.
You know what's wild is like y'all never give me credit for like, man, how do you do it? How do you pick such amazing units? But they will give themselves credit so much for picking up a box in a unit I picked out and I bought.
I was kidding.
How does that work?
I don't even think it's that big of a deal.
Well, obviously I do, Tanner. Okay, obviously I'm not getting enough praise myself. Okay.
I think you do great. I told you the other day. I think you're amazing.
And I appreciate you, buddy. All right, so let's check it out. Look, these are older. Wow, that's actually really pretty. That is. Look how pretty that is. That's like really pretty. And some guy left a comment yesterday and said, I'd hate to tell you, but costume jewelry is all worthless. That is so far from the truth. There's costume jewelry that goes for thousands. Mm-hmm. It's just got to be the right maker, the right materials, things like that. So that is really pretty. I bet you anything that brings in 30 or 40 bucks.
Yeah.
Okay. What I'm really hoping, it'd be nice to find a lot of gold to take on my vacation. Why are you laughing?
Because I jolted.
Oh, jeez.
The camera.
I know. Look at these brooches. Oh, that's pretty. It looks newer, but still really pretty. Ooh, look, political button? Nope. This is All Men Enlist for Christ. National Baptist Brotherhood Union. Maybe that's part of that hat?
Yeah.
I like it. That's older. It's broke. That's actually pretty too. You get them kinks out of it. Okay, what else we got? How hard is this driving, Tanner?
It's okay.
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm in a rush. I'm trying to go on vacation, but I'm trying to make sure I got footage because I know y'all don't want to hear me vlog for like 7 days. All right, let's go under. Oh yeah! Look at all these pearls. Okay, so look. Ooh, look at that brooch. Okay. I saw a stamp on it somewhere, I thought. Not sure what it said, but that's pretty. Look, there's more brooches. Oh, that's another one just like that. Oh, it's made in Canada. And I wish some of this was gold. These are actually really pretty. Yeah, what's this? Look, 14 karat gold.
What?
No.
What?
Way.
It's broke, but look.
I know, I was saying like, no way.
Maybe 2 grams. Maybe. But hey, alright.
Hey, we have a fancy scale now. We can measure.
We
that.
do. Look, this is getting... You lose your bag, brooch. You lose your bag to the gold. The gold goes in the bag. Okay.
Can you put it in sport?
Put it in sport.
Alright, so check that out. That's pretty cool. We're going to keep this out. Alright. Oh, we need to put that back in, don't we? This is how you make videos on the run. Alright, so hey, let's just go with the small box first. Did we already do this one? Oh, we did this one. Go back in the other video. If you want to see what's underneath that paper, you got to go back to one of the other ones. Okay. This one, we weren't sure if there was something in it. Oh, maybe that's just the band. I don't know. Oh, no. All right.
Ooh.
But here's the deal. Why would I not, Tanner, this is training for you. Why would I not be impressed too much about what might be in here?
I don't
think
I'm going to give you a hint. It's the quality of the box.
Well, yeah, there's.
That's more of a
nothing
hint.
there.
Yeah, right? But just
My
because,
side right turn.
like the same thing with, huh?
Well,
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Did
gonna
you
say-
really just turn from the freaking non-turn lane?
no. I was in a lane.
Were you recording?
I was in a lane.
Okay, Gina. Did you just turn from an illegal lane?
No.
Just yes or no?
No.
I'm gonna rewind that, folks, and if she's right, I'll eat crow.
Crow.
If she's wrong, see you youngins. If she's wrong, I'm gonna reverse this thing and I'm gonna play it 5-6 times in a row, and y'all see what they do to me. Like I don't know what lane you just turned from. There's two. Look over there.
I can't get that.
Okay, check it out. There's one turn lane. This is a four intersection. It's one turn lane per place. We were over right there. We were over here. Look, get it. When we turn, is there 2 turn lanes or 1? There's one.
There's no turn lane. You just turn, and there's.
You don't turn. You turn from the right lane.
That
not
wasn't a lane. It had a solid white line.
You can't. This is why I refuse. If I didn't love these people so much, I would not hire people their age, because this is seriously my experience. I know there's good ones out there, but in my experience, they want to argue over things that we have on tape. Back to the watch. Ready?
Driving is making this shit.
It's making me nervous. Oh shoot! What is that? Oh, that's pretty. Let's see real quick. It says. Well, here's the thing. Oh, look, it's still got the thing on it. The missing stones? No, it's still got all the stones in there. That's a pretty watch, y'all. Still got the thing on it.
Classic from the new.
Yeah, to make it start ticking. Right? Let's see if it works. Ready? We're gonna see if it works. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's working. The second hand is moving. Look at that. Man, I wonder how long that's been in there. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Alright, next we had this. It didn't really feel like much was in there, but it's still a really pretty inlay box. Trinket box. I like that. Or if you have like one really, really good cigar, you can put it in here. Right. We saw this. This says satchel. Sachet. Why did you correct me? You're supposed to correct me. When you're filming, you're supposed to correct dumb things I say. So we got a little satchel watch. You didn't correct me.
Sachet.
Like that was like 4 seconds and
I
you
know.
didn't even remember. All right. So we got the satchel bracelets and watch, right? Look, I still connected in. Ah, that's less impressive. If you want to know how much a satchel costs, it costs you $14.99. Thank you. He's learning, folks. He's teachable. All right. Let's see.
Graduated a year early, baby.
All right. Is it silver? All right. Hold on. I'm trying to like not mix it up. What is that? It's curved at the bottom, so it's got to go. Is that got like a perfume topper or something? Oh, I bet that goes to the knife, doesn't it? That goes to the bottom of the knife.
Yeah, I saw it fall. I put it back on just so we know. What's the fall again?
Hold on, y'all. Hold on. First of all, let's see if this is gold, because if we have 2 14 karat gold necklaces, that would be great.
I don't get what Jeremy and Renee are talking about. It's so easy to drive here.
Oh yeah, 14K.
Wow.
So we've got 2 gold necklaces so far.
We're almost to the 10 million mark.
I'm hoping whatever this is in my hand is gold. All right, we got a phone call. But check this out. It says 33, the triangle. So I'm thinking this has something to do with the whatever is the, I want to say club or institute. This says it's engraved with the date of 84. Man, that thing goes all the way around. Hold on. And this is 10 karat gold. It says US 10 karat gold. So look, but we got to figure out what this goes to, Tanner, right? Because it could add a premium over spot of gold, right? Because people sell for collectible things, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is collectible gold, I guess is the way you could put it, possibly. So we just got to figure out what that symbol is. This could have a lot more than just scrap value, but hey, check it out, 3 pieces of gold. There it is. There's our gold so far. All right, what else should we do? All right, let's just finish the little bags, and then we'll go to the big box last. That's a pretty brooch. Let's see what it is. Oh, and 1 cufflink. That's pretty. Oh, that's a, what do you call that? The name for it.
A spindle.
Is it?
No.
I don't remember. Alright, let me pour this out. Let's see, we got a watch. Oh, we had something right there. This is pretty. That's Geneva. Just trying to see what it said. That's still pretty. Oh, there goes the other matching earring.
Gosh.
What? Is she scaring you?
No, these bumps are making the camera just like.
Hit your head too, huh? Yeah.
Sorry, my shocks are bad.
All right, so hey, it's still a pretty watch.
I agree.
All right, so hey, let's go. Oh wait, hold on, we got this one. Let's do this one, and then we'll do this one final. Ready? These are they're just kind of cool. They're wood.
What?
Sound, but all right, let's do this one. How does this work? Okay, let's do the bottom one first. Okay, the bottom one has a little pearl action going on. Let's mark something. Oh look, little perfumes. Carolina Herrera. Oh, Fendi. Fendi's an expensive brand. And then look, just all these little perfumes. Okay, now let's go to the top layer. Alright. Come on, baby, be gold. So that is a, what's that say? OSQ? I don't know. We'll look that up. It's kind of cool look. Let's see. It's kind of a weird ring, kind of cool. Let's see what else we got. That looks plated, obviously. That's plated. It'd be great if one of these were gold. We'll check those in a second. Size 17. I'm going to go with not gold, but we'll check it in a second. Little crystal bear. Let's go. Those are earrings. That's kind of cool. Little danglies. Alright, let's see if these are gold. What? I just totally forgot we were even filming for a minute.
Well, the camera is just like a boom boom.
Is it? I might not even be able to use this. That's gonna stink.
You're using it. I'm just kidding.
He said you're using this. I filmed it. Alright, let's see if this is gold.
No, it may be a little bumpy. Katie's driving's a little crazy.
A little.
So I apologize to the watchers.
I'm a good driver. And that was not a
Hey, you know what? Hey, stay tuned for the bonus footage while I do a walk around of Katie's car right after this.
Y'all.
You say, hey, don't be on here talking crap that you know is not true unless you want it exposed.
What happened yesterday?
One time,
What happened yesterday?
I did not drive. That was Jacob. That was not me.
I'm gonna call these
That was Jacob.
millennial editions. Y'all both been caught lying of factual things that were caught on tape. Still
Mine
denying.
was a joke, okay?
One wreck in my entire life, and that was at 23 years old. That's pretty impressive.
All right, guys. So that's the dang deal. Hey, is that all the jewelry for real? I'm still okay with that. We got this beautiful box. So hey, anyway, that's the end of the $800 unit. In another video, what I'll do is update you on how much we made from the unit, roughly. And hopefully we're about to be getting on a plane, or they're going to be setting up a great auction for you guys next week. Other than that, we'll see you at the next unit. All right, guys, welcome back. So we are here, me, Gina, Mom, Dad, and the kids. They got off their way ahead. So we are here at Mount Vernon. We're about to go visit what?
George Washington's home.
George Washington's home. And what else? Vineyard, right?
The Potomac River.
All right, so I don't know what's all here.
A vineyard, I don't know.
Jason Vaughn, Mount Vernon.
Mount Vernon.
Oh, Jason Vaughn just texted me. Life After,
Life After.
YouTube, go check him out. I love that guy. Really good heart. Just a good guy. Love him. So go check out Life After. Other than that, hey guys, just wanted to pop in. This vlog's just going to be a big collage. Is that even a thing with videos? Video collage?
Sure.
Maybe. It's just going to be a bunch of pieces of us going and checking out historical things. As soon as we leave here, we're heading to DC and we're going to go check out all the monuments, everything. Maybe we'll catch some wackos out there arguing over stupid stuff. That doesn't really even matter at the end of the day. So anyway, we'll be right back. Hey guys, just wanted to pop in real quick and show you this. That is George Washington's house, I believe. So anyway, we are scheduled for a tour at 2:30. We're heading up there to the big group and we'll pop back in.
Marquis de Lafayette, the guy is, or how about signers of the Deathbed? I've got 5 Deathbeders out there to look at. So come on up and take a look at all 5. Don't go into the yellow access that you have in your
you.
Thank